uncovering DeepVariant's insights in genomic analysis.
Recent investigations reveal that DeepVariant utilizes insights from tasks it hasn't been explicitly trained on, improving small variant detection. Clusters emerging from analysis indicate DeepVariant captures complex genomic information, including challenging areas of the genome and the role of long interspersed nuclear elements, lines. The model also identifies mosaic variants, which arise from post-conception mutations and can significantly impact health through unsupervised clustering methods without prior labeling of these variants. These findings highlight the potential of DeepVariant to apply concepts from larger genomic tasks to enhance its performance in small variant calling.
Fluid model breaks new ground in image generation.
Google DeepMind and MIT have developed a new autoregressive model called Fluid, which excels in text-to-image generation at 10.5 billion parameters. This model enhances performance through two innovations: continuous tokens for better image detail and a random generation order that improves understanding of image structure. Fluid has outperformed existing models, demonstrating that a smaller model with 369 million parameters can achieve performance comparable to Google's Party, which has 20 billion parameters. The findings suggest autoregressive models like Fluid may serve as efficient alternatives to diffusion models, enabling faster image generation with improved quality.
Claude 3.5 Sonnet introduces AI computer use capabilities.
The new Claude 3.5 Sonnet can now interact with computer software, following user commands to navigate, click, and input data using a virtual keyboard. This advancement, currently in public beta, allows AI to operate software more naturally, unlocking a wide range of applications for modern work. To develop this skill, Claude was trained to interpret computer screen images and perform tasks by counting pixels for precise cursor movements. While technology is advancing, there are ongoing safety considerations, including vulnerabilities to cyber attacks, prompting the need for precautions during its beta use.
Claude AI can now operate computers independently.
Anthropic has launched a new feature for its Claude 3.5 Sonnet AI that allows it to control a computer by moving a cursor, clicking buttons, and typing text, currently available in public beta for developers. While similar capabilities exist in tools like Microsoft's Copilot Vision and OpenAI's ChatGPT desktop app, Claude's release represents a more advanced level of direct interaction with a computer interface, although the feature remains experimental and can experience errors. Improvements in the Claude 3.5 model include notable gains in coding tasks, with performance scores exceeding those of other available models, highlighting its enhanced capabilities in these areas.
OpenAI unveils advanced voice features for ChatGPT in Europe.
OpenAI has made its advanced voice mode accessible to Plus and Team users in the EU and select European countries, ending previous limitations that required VPN use for access. This feature enhances voice interactions with improved accents and conversation speed, accompanied by 5 new voice options, although several announced capabilities remain unavailable. Notably, the current version lacks functions like visual data analysis and emotion recognition, which were highlighted during the GPT-4o launch, as well as the ability to perform internet searches or transition between text and voice modes.
OpenAI appoints Dr. Ronnie Chatterjee as chief economist.
OpenAI has appointed Dr. Ronnie Chatterjee as its first chief economist. In this role, he will research the impact of AI on economic growth and job markets. His focus will include the global effects of AI infrastructure and strategies to prepare the workforce for these changes.
Anthropic unveils enhanced Claude AI models with new features.
Anthropic has released improved Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Claude 3.5 Haiku models, showcasing significant advancements in programming capabilities. The new Claude 3.5 Haiku model reportedly surpasses the previous Claude 3 opus in various benchmarks, offering similar speed and cost. A notable feature allows Claude to interact with computer interfaces, enabling it to execute commands and utilize standard software tools, although its performance still lags behind human ability.
Anthropic enables AI to control computer tasks.
Anthropic has introduced a feature allowing its AI model, Claude, to control computers and perform tasks like searching the internet and scheduling appointments with user consent. This advancement aims to automate repetitive tasks, freeing users to concentrate on more creative aspects of their work, with Claude reportedly able to complete an hour's worth of work in just 2 minutes. The company is in the early stages of this technology, exploring its integration into mobile devices and emphasizing the need to build user trust similar to that required for self-driving cars.
New developments in Claude AI models and computer use feature.
Anthropic has introduced the upgraded Claude 3.5 Sonnet and the new Claude 3.5 Haiku models, with the Sonnet showcasing significant improvements in coding skills and overall performance over earlier versions. A groundbreaking feature called computer use is now in public beta, allowing Claude to interact with computers in a human-like manner, which developers can utilize for complex tasks requiring numerous steps. Claude 3.5 Sonnet has achieved higher scores on coding benchmarks compared to other AI, while Claude 3.5 Haiku promises low latency and enhanced capabilities for user-facing applications, set to release later this month.
Anthropic unveils Claude 3.5 Sonnet for desktop automation.
Anthropic has launched an upgraded Claude 3.5 Sonnet model that can control desktop applications through a new open beta API called Computer Use. This AI model can emulate user actions like mouse clicks and typing by interpreting what it sees on screen, aiming to automate a variety of tasks on PCs. Despite its capabilities, Claude 3.5 Sonnet still faces challenges in executing some actions accurately, prompting Anthropic to encourage developers to use it for low-risk tasks.
WhatsApp enhances contact management with encrypted storage.
WhatsApp has launched a feature allowing users to save contacts directly within the app, ensuring they remain accessible even if a device is lost or changed. The new contact storage system uses an encrypted method known as Identity Proof Linked Storage, IPLS, to secure saved information, along with a partnership with Cloudflare for added cryptographic protection. WhatsApp is also developing the ability to save contacts via usernames, enhancing privacy by allowing users to communicate without sharing their phone numbers.
Keras Hub launches a unified platform for pre-trained AI models.
Keras Hub has been introduced as a centralized library for pre-trained models, integrating both natural language processing and computer vision capabilities into one platform. This new repository allows developers to easily access state-of-the-art models and features like LoRa fine-tuning and multi-host training, enhancing the development of multimodal applications. Users can install Keras Hub and begin utilizing powerful models such as Gemma and Polygemma for diverse AI tasks, streamlining their workflow and enhancing productivity.
Microsoft and OpenAI fund AI initiatives for news outlets.
Microsoft and OpenAI are offering $10 million to select news organizations to explore AI tools in their operations. The funding includes grants for hiring AI fellows focused on utilizing Microsoft Azure and OpenAI technologies. News outlets will experiment with AI for tasks like transcription, content summaries, and developing new search tools.
Anthropic introduces Claude 3.5 Sonnet with computer control features.
Anthropic has launched significant upgrades to its AI models, including Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which can now control computers by performing tasks like filling out forms and scrolling through pages as if it were human. Users have reported improvements in Claude's performance, with its coding abilities increasing notably on the SWE Bench verified test, surpassing the competition. While the computer use feature is currently in a public beta and available through API, it has shown potential to automate tasks that typically require manual input.
OpenAI appoints first chief economist to explore AI's economic impact.
OpenAI has appointed Arun Chatterjee as its first chief economist, who previously served in the Biden administration and as a professor at Duke University. Chatterjee's role will involve researching the economic effects of AI, particularly its influence on growth and job opportunities. His experience with the CHIPS Act may aid OpenAI's own chip design initiatives.
New AI-driven in-car innovations from Qualcomm and Google.
Qualcomm and Google have partnered to enhance digital cockpit experiences in vehicles using AI technologies. The collaboration will involve the development of a standardized reference framework to create generative AI-enabled cockpits, integrating with the Android Automotive OS. This initiative aims to improve user interactions through advanced voice assistance and mapping features, making driving more seamless.
Reddit's strategy in the AI training race.
Reddit CEO Steve Huffman stated that the platform is crucial in the ongoing competition for AI training data, highlighting its content as valuable for building AI models. Huffman emphasized the need for Reddit to establish its role in this ecosystem, noting the company's public content policy and recent partnerships with Google and OpenAI for data usage. He also acknowledged concerns about companies using Reddit's information without proper agreements, indicating ongoing discussions to safeguard its content and ensure fair compensation.
AI innovations pave the way for future drug discovery.
Artificial intelligence is enhancing the drug discovery process by improving the identification of target proteins linked to human diseases and speeding up research efforts through AI-driven knowledge graphs. Companies like Verson are using AI alongside advanced physics modeling to design new drug-like molecules on computers prior to laboratory testing, potentially overcoming traditional barriers in finding viable drug candidates. AI can also streamline regulatory processes by automating documentation for drug approvals, and it shows promise in using human organoid models to test drug efficacy before clinical trials.
Genmo introduces Mochi 1 open-source video AI model.
Genmo has released Mochi 1, an open-source video generation model capable of producing high-quality videos from text prompts, with performance that rivals leading proprietary models like Runway's Gen 3 Alpha and Luma AI's Dream Machine. Mochi 1, which operates under the Apache 2.0 license, emphasizes high fidelity in motion and strong adherence to user instructions, allowing precise control over video content and enhancing the ease of use for developers and researchers alike. The model, built on Genmo's asymmetric diffusion transformer architecture, features 10 billion parameters and aims to democratize AI technology, with future updates expected to improve resolution and motion quality.
Firebase Demo Day 2024 will showcase new AI features.
Firebase Demo Day is set for November 19, 2024, featuring demonstrations of new technologies including Firebase GenKit and Vertex AI integration. The event will highlight how to implement AI features in existing applications and how to monitor their performance effectively. Participants can watch demo videos starting at 1 p.m. EST on the event date and are encouraged to follow updates on social media.
Anthropic introduces AI tool for automating developer tasks.
Anthropic has launched new AI models that can autonomously perform computer tasks, aimed at easing workflow for software developers. This computer use feature allows the AI to handle complex tasks by controlling mouse movements and keyboard inputs, advancing the concept of AI agents beyond basic chatbots. The feature is currently available in the updated Claude 3.5 Sonnet model, with built-in safeguards against misuse and plans for future consumer accessibility.
OpenAI strengthens leadership with new Chief Compliance Officer.
OpenAI has appointed Scott Schools, a former Uber executive, as its first Chief Compliance Officer to navigate the growing global regulations on artificial intelligence. Schools' experience includes serving as Chief Ethics and Compliance Officer at Uber and as Associate Deputy Attorney General at the U.S. Justice Department. In addition, OpenAI announced the hiring of Aaron Chatterjee as its chief economist to research AI's impact on economic growth and job creation.
Anthropic introduces Claude with human-like computer interaction.
Anthropic has launched an upgraded AI model, Claude 3.5, featuring a new capability called computer use, which allows it to perform tasks like a human by navigating interfaces and interacting with applications. This flexibility enables AI to automate complex workflows across various industries, from data entry to customer service, potentially revolutionizing operational efficiency. While Claude's computer interaction is in beta and requires developer oversight to ensure security, its successful implementation could significantly enhance productivity in tasks that involve multi-step processes.
Funding for AI-driven journalism initiatives announced.
OpenAI and Microsoft are funding journalism projects with up to $10 million in grants aimed at integrating AI tools in newsrooms. Grants will support several publications, allowing them to hire AI fellows who will focus on utilizing technology for business growth. OpenAI has also appointed Aaron Chatterjee as its first chief economist to strengthen its approach to economic considerations in AI development.
Apple Intelligence and the iPad Mini 2024 Review Overview.
The new iPad Mini supports Apple Pencil Pro, enhancing its appeal for artists with features like magnetic charging, but still lacks support for the Pencil 2. Apple Intelligence is not fully realized yet, raising doubts about whether the new Mini is worth upgrading without significant AI advancements.